Chapter 12. Food for Plants and Animals. In the spotlight. Food for plants. Food for animals. Food chain. Food web. We all depend upon both plants and animals, but they both are interdependent on each other. In this chapter, we will discuss about the interdependence in nature. We eat plants and animals, but what do plants and animals eat? Food for plants. Green plants are the only creation of nature that can prepare their food on their own. Most plants make food on their green leaves by a process called photosynthesis. Water plus carbon dioxide plus sunlight, chlorophyll, is equal to sugar plus oxygen. The roots of a plant take in water from the soil. The stem carries the water to the leaves. The leaves of a plant take in a gas called carbon dioxide from the air. Chlorophyll, which gives the green color to the leaves, traps the sunlight. Thus, plants use water and carbon dioxide to make food. The energy for making food is obtained from sunlight. Therefore, only plants that contain chlorophyll can make their own food. Plants are called producers or autotrophs as they produce their own food. Believe it or not, mushroom is a non-green plant. It does not make food. It feeds on dead and decaying matter. A cactus plant does not have leaves, so food is prepared in its stem. Insectivorous plants. Some plants eat insects as their food. These are called insectivorous plants. They are green plants which grow in soil that is poor in nitrogen. To fulfill this nitrogen requirement, they trap and eat insects. Venus flytrap, sundew plant, and pitcher plant are a few examples of insectivorous plants. Venus flytrap has jaw-like leaf trap. Once, as insect touches the hairs of the leaf, the jaw shuts in a fraction of a second. At once, the plant secretes juices which dissolves the insect. Pitcher plant has leaves having the shape of a pitcher. As an insect sits on the pitcher, its lid closes and the insect drowns in the digestive fluid present in the pitcher. Sundew plant have a gel-like substance at the tips of the tentacles that cover the leaves. If an insect flies too close to these, it gets stuck to the plant and is then digested. Food for animals. All the animals, including human beings, depend directly or indirectly on plants for their food. Therefore, they are called consumers or heterotrophs. Animals can be classified into different groups on the basis of their food habits. Herbivores. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. They are also called primary consumers. For example, cows, deer, buffaloes, goats, etc. are some herbivores. Carnivores. Animals that kill other animals and eat their flesh are called carnivores. They are called secondary consumers. For example, lions, tigers, cheetahs, foxes, leopards and wolves are some carnivores. Omnivores. Animals that eat both plants as well as the flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Humans, crows, cockroaches and bears are omnivores. Scavengers. Animals that eat the flesh of dead animals are called scavengers. Jackals, hyenas and vultures are scavengers. Parasites. Parasites are animals that depend on other animals for food. They live on or within the body of other animals. Mosquitoes, leeches, roundworms and hookworms are some parasites. Food chain. All living things depend on other living things for their food and existence. The flow of energy from the sun to the plants and then to other animals by the process of eating and being eaten is called food chain. The three main components of a food chain are producers, consumers, decomposers. Example: grass, deer, lion. Grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, eagle. Food web. Many food chains together form a complete feeding relationship in the form of a web. This is called a food web. Consumers do not depend only on one type of food. They can eat variety of foods. For example, a deer may eat plants or grass. A tiger may eat a deer, a goat, or a rabbit. One type of food is also eaten by a large number of animals. For example, plants are eaten by cows, deer, goats, and buffaloes. This results in the interlinking of various food chains and forms a food web. Balance in nature. We know that all living things depend on one another. It is very important to maintain a balance between plants and animals. An imbalance, if caused, disturbs the whole food chain. Let us recall. The process by which green plants prepare their food is called photosynthesis. Plants prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, green pigment called chlorophyll, and sunlight. Plants that eat insects are called insectivorous plants. Animals can be classified into different groups on the basis of their food habits: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, and parasites. The flow of energy from the sun to the plants and then to other animals by the process of eating or being eaten is called a food chain. Many food chains are interlinked to form a food